Your question is, what do you want people to understand about beauty and being beautiful?
For me, beauty is about having an attractive physique, but being beautiful is easier. Being beautiful is being beautiful inside and out. And for me, what is important is always the thing that is not seen. And what is essential is always invisible to the eye. And that's having a good heart, a good mind, of course, a good personality.
And now on to the result of the Lord. Question. What will be the first thing that you do tomorrow if you are around the judge of High tonight?
Personally, I will do tomorrow as soon as I wake up. So I will thank God again. Because the moment I step out on the stage, I ever let them to have a routine. So I will thank Him because I will not accomplish anything if not for Him. If He didn't give me such a wonderful family, such an amazing mother to support me all the time. If He didn't support me with His learning, who loved me as if we are a family. And then after that, I will start organizing something, just a little something, for the special children and the street children, because I've always dreamed of doing that. And knowing that once I become Millennial Compound 2018, it will be easier for me because I will have this advocacy and I know that a lot of people will support me because they love me as someone who loves Pampanga and someone who is a proud Pampangan, proud woman of good faith and love. Thank you.
Who is your role model in life?
My role model in life is my mother. Because my mother was really big when I was kid and taught me a lot of things that I can use in my life in a better way. I see her as my hero. And she sacrificed a lot for me. And she taught me to sacrifice a lot for the things that I love the most. And for the people that I love the most. And for people.
And now the chorus of the song. Your question. What song best represents your life and the world?
The best song that represents my life is the song Believe by Shawn Mendes. The song goes, everything is possible. In life, nothing is impossible as long as you have the determination to go through and face the challenges that come your way. And I believe that all of us will be able to achieve everything we want as long as we believe in ourselves and have the courage, have the compassion to achieve or to share and inspire other people. No matter the setting attitude, to face the challenges that will come our way and to always have faith, not just in yourself, but to everyone around you. Thank you.
Great living a photo that you want to eat. Wow.